Okay. Hey guys. So I realized that after today's math class that some people seem to be having issues with the concepts of fractions, and specifically people seem to be having issue with the concept of adding fractions. So I wanted to show you guys this method that I found online that's really cool and pretty helpful, and I think it's pretty useful. So if you're at home right now, I want you to grab a pen and a piece of paper. That way you can follow along as I show you this method that was found online. And then next time we meet in class, hopefully we can practice this method of adding fractions together and work on it together. And I think this is pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and get started. We'll start with a kind of easy addition of fractions problem. We'll start with a adding 1/2 plus 1/3. So what you have here, you have 1/2, which would be 1/2. So 1/2 plus 1/3. So 1/2 plus 1/3. And what we need to do, we need to put our equals sign in here. So equals 1/2 plus 1/3 equals, and then on the right side, we're going to put in the fraction symbol and make that a little bit thicker there. So 1/2 plus 1/3 equals a fraction. Now what we're going to do to find this is we'll start at the bottom, and what you do is you multiply the two numbers that are on the bottom of the fractions. So you have the 3 here, and you multiply that 3 by the 2. So 3 times 2, and we all know our our multiplication tables after practicing them in class for the past year. So we should all know that 3 times 2 equals 6. So we have 6 there. Now we need to do the top. And what you do for the top numbers is you multiply diagonally and then add them together. So we'll go up here and you'll see what I mean by diagonally. You have the 1 here, and then diagonally from that is the 3. So you multiply the 1 times the 3, right? So you see the 3 there and how that's diagonal to the 1. So 1 times 3 is 3. We should all know this from our multiplication tables that we've practiced. And then we need to add that to what we're going to do next here, which is, again, we're going to multiply diagonally. We're going to multiply 1 times 2 diagonally. So we're going to add those together again, remember. So you have the 1 times the 2. So that makes 5. So 3 plus 2 gives you 5/6. Now you're looking at that and you're probably thinking that's not a real fraction. Well, that's why you add the 3 and the 2 together to make a 5. So you get 5/6. And that's going to draw on me. But ta-da! You see 5/6, okay? So let's go ahead and do another fraction. What we could do, we'll do 1/4 plus 2/3 to practice this method again and show you that it actually works for all fractions that you want to do. So 1/4 plus 2/3. So 1/4 plus 2/3. Now, so again, we're going to do the exact same method as last time. So we're going to start by multiplying the two bottom numbers, and we'll put our equals sign in here, and our fraction symbol again. We'll put the fraction symbol in red. So, yep. So 4 times 3, right? And again, we should know our multiplication tables. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we're going to, once again, multiply diagonally. So you're looking at this and you should probably be thinking of the 1 and the 3. So 1 times 3, we all know that that's 3. So let's get that 3 up there. And then that's going to be added. So, and then we're going to multiply again diagonally with the 2 and the 4. 2 times 4 makes 8. So we have 3 plus 8/12. So you're probably looking at this again and you see that that's not a real fraction, which is why you need to add the 3 and the 8 together. And we should all know that 3 plus 8 equals 11. So 3 plus 8 is 11/12. Ta-da! 11/12. Sorry, that's drawing on me. But I think that this is a really effective method. So hopefully you guys understand that, and hopefully that makes sense, and we're going to go over it again in class tomorrow when I meet you guys then, but that's just a different way of adding fractions together. So thanks for following along tonight, and I'll see you guys in math class soon. Bye.